Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, y'all. Everybody wants to be healthier, okay? But y'all have to understand, mind, body, soul. If your mind, your body, and soul are not connected, you cannot reach your goals. You have got to eat 4 meals a day, small meals. For breakfast, I had an Omega piece of toast. Omega me crazy. It's got like nuts and seeds, whatever. And I had 2 hard-boiled eggs on top of it with some mayo. I also had a cup of pre-workout. And I tried to eat this Chobani flip, but I could barely eat the whole sandwich. But I still ate. First thing, 30 minutes upon waking, you guys need to get something to eat, okay? And if you want to lose and build muscle, you have to fuel your body with good things. Now, last night we went out to dinner. I ate bread, I ate fries. I don't deprive myself because that's not what we're here for. We're here to make lifestyle changes, and trying to deprive yourself, trying to go on all these fad diets and these pea powders and these ketones, and I'm only coming from a place of being there. I tried every soup diet, I tried Atkins, I tried everything, and then I found ketones, which, looking back, I know that it was my hard work that got me there, right? Let me turn off that music. High vibe music. Being brand new, always being in a state of learning. If I'm not listening to high vibe music, I'm watching YouTube videos. I am always in a state of learning about myself, my mind, my body, my soul. Again, how it's all connected and how this is what we're here for, you guys. And if we don't get it right this time, we're just going to keep coming back here and trying to get it right over and over and over again. And so I'm really just trying to help you guys get it right so that we can all ascend finally and live in peace. Which, these are my beliefs, you know. I don't expect everybody to believe what I believe. We all have our own experiences. We all have our own situations that we've been through that make us who we are. And so I am never, ever, ever trying to change anyone. I only want to provide value, make you guys think deeper, and, stop beating yourselves up and stop thinking that everything is so hard and you can't accomplish it because you're just I don't have that. Like, I'm not that lucky. 322 on the clock as I say that. You are that lucky. And you are that special. And you are that powerful. And you literally can do anything you set your mind to. 333 as I say that. And here's the thing. We look way too far in the future, instead of just focusing on the right here and now. So I'm going to give you guys an activity, and I am going to help you to try to see yourself for who you truly are, and try to help you, because this one thing helped me so much. This one thing changed me so much. So I'm going to share it with y'all. Look, I opened my bag. Oh, isn't it so pretty? Oh, I'm so blessed. Okay, I manifested that right on camera, and I have it filmed, but I don't know if I'm going to put it in the community as like a paid manifestation guide, or I don't know. I might put it out. I don't know. Anyway, so, all right, I want you to sit down and get a notebook, and I want you to think about your higher self. Your self in the future that has every single thing that you want, all of your hopes, your dreams, your accomplishments. I don't care how insane it is, because let me tell you something, there is nothing too insane for the universe. The universe wants you to think big. The universe wants you to know that success, a good body, like everything that you desire is already yours. The reason that you can see it is because nothing is ever going to be invented again. Everything that ever was and will be already is. Let me say that again. Everything that there ever was and everything that ever will be already is. And what I mean by that is there's no past, there's no future. The only time that we have is the present moment, and we can see it because we already have it. We just have to learn to align our energy to it. And I've done this so many times, like to the point where I do it so much now that I don't realize I do it, if that makes sense. So sit down, get a notebook. Do y'all know how many notebooks I have laying around with just, I am so grateful. I am so grateful. Writing down my thoughts, writing down my dreams, my goals. And y'all, the stuff that has come true. Anyway, okay. Sit down, write everything down about your higher self. I don't care what it is. And I'm going to give you guys an example because the way that this one thing changed my life, this one thing got me this house. Okay. So when you think about your higher self and you write down all of those things, I'm trying to make sure y'all don't see my address. I need to move these boxes. And when you do that, I want you to just pick one thing. Okay. For me, and you don't have to spend money to do this. I spent no money doing this because I wanted to test it to prove that you don't need money to do this. So one of my things was that my higher self is mega hydrated. If you guys are new here, my name's Melissa. I've been working on social media for 5 years. I'm a social media expert. I'm a mindset manifestation coach. I also teach TikTok shop. I've made over $2.5 million in sales on the TikTok shop in the last 15 months. I have a lot of accomplishments behind my belt. And trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Everything that I have just comes from my mindset. Okay. So anyway, because I'm in recovery, I've been on Suboxone for 11 years. It just is what it is. I'm not ashamed of it. Nobody would ever know unless I told you. It's really nobody's business, but I'm an open book. I don't care what people think of me. So I'm just trying to give you an example. So I have a lot of digestive issues, and I realized that that was directly linked to a lot of my weight issues because I would not take a shit for like a week, 2 weeks straight, and the amount of stomach issues I would have. And I knew that it came from not being hydrated enough. If you drink 100 ounces of water per day, you're going to go to the bathroom like it ain't nobody's business, okay? And you're going to go to the bathroom after every single meal like you really should, which they don't teach us. Digestion is very huge when it comes to trying to get your body the way you want it. That's a whole other story for another day. If y'all want me to get into digestion, if y'all have digestive issues and you want me to tell you how I healed it with my mind, body, and soul, just let me know. Because I'm also a very powerful healer, a master manifester. I know I said that. I don't know if I said that. But I know how powerful I am, and I'm able to just do things with my mind. It's weird. Anyway, so I chose being hydrated. My best self, my highest self would be the most hydrated bitch out here, and her digestion would be so good that she would just be happy all day long, because my issues got so bad to the point where I'd literally have to lay like with my butt up in the air, just trying to relieve some kind of air. Like, it was bad all the time. Nobody knows any of that, okay? Because I'm not out here sharing stuff like that. But I suffered for a long time. This is kind of what led me down this whole health journey path, was just constantly having back pain, pelvic pain, leg pain, gas pain, all over the damn place. And I realized it was all in here. So I chose water. For 2 days straight, I was the most hydrated bitch you ever saw in your entire life. And this is called quantum jumping. You just take one thing your higher self does. It doesn't matter how minute or big. You can spend money. If your higher self goes to get her nails done every 2 weeks, baby, you better go spend that $30, $40 and go get your nails done. If you can afford it, right? I'm just saying. If not, choose something like I did, water, anything, okay? And for those 2 days, you do those things. And you watch, save this video, and you come back and you tell me the crazy shit that's happened in your world since you did that activity. Because the amount of things that happened in my world, not only did I find my dream house, 7 days later, okay, found my dream home. This was like a diamond in the rough. You guys don't understand. If you guys want me to go into that story about this house and there's just so many synchronicities. It's so crazy. But anyway, ever since my mom passed away, and she's been like my guardian angel, 11 as I say that, ever since she's been gone and been my guardian angel, the amount of things that could happen, I could tell you guys stories. And I know that it's like my grandmother and my mom, like my spirit team out there working hard for me. And I'm so grateful. You guys have no idea that I truly get actual signs that there's no other explanation. There's no other explanation that I know it's her. Like, I just know it's her. When I see 111, I know that's her. There's just so many anyway, I could do a whole video on signs and synchronicities. Just let me know. But anyway, I want you guys to do this activity. And I want you to come back and tell me what happens. Because I'm so excited for you. So if this helped you today, leave a comment down below. Let me know. After you have written down all of your things, what is the one thing that you are going to embody about your higher self? And then I want you to come back in a couple days, a week, whatever, and tell me what happens. And you can't just be looking for things to happen, like, oh, what's gonna happen? No, just do the activity and go on about your life. Just live. And just let magic happen. Be open to signs and synchronicities. Be open to magic. Be open-minded that there's things out there working for us that we cannot see. But if you say, God, mom, whoever you have in the spiritual realm, I don't care who your higher power is. At the end of the day, that's kind of why organized religion really kind of ticks me off. And this is me. I don't judge nobody else. Okay, so don't judge me and I won't judge you. I'm sharing with you my heart, my soul. I literally grew up in the Catholic Church. Okay, so I come from a place of seeing it firsthand, not just judging from an outside view. Just the way that you have your experiences which shape your view of the world, same with me, okay? So this is why organized religion kind of ticks me off, because at the end of the day, we all have the same goal. Rather you pray to God or a higher power or the universe or energy or whatever the case may be, Allah, it doesn't matter who your higher power is. We all have the same whatever, the same goal. So the fact that they divide us with organized religion is really irritating, but thankfully we're all finally starting to wake up and realize what's going on out there, and I'm really grateful to have this mind and the eyes to see and the heart and the soul to feel things that are not there. And anyway, now I've rambled on for far too long. I'm going for a run. I'm going to jump rope for a couple minutes. I'm going to go for a run. Then I'm going to do some lifting. I got to look on my app if it's leg day or arm day or whatever. But here's your sign, baby. Get up. Move your body. You don't have to do a whole exercise routine and run like I do. Get up and walk around your house. Girl, if the first step is walking around your chair like this 5 times, then baby, that is the first step. If the first step is getting your ass up out of bed and going to the kitchen to get you some breakfast, that's the first step. If the first step is getting yourself up off the couch and just walking in place for 5 minutes while you're still watching your TV show, then so fucking be it. But do it. It doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter how much effort you put into it. It's all about the intention that you put behind every single thing that you do. Just like I intend that this finds you in the moment that you need it the most. And I intend that you guys share this out, subscribe if you haven't already. And I intend that you fucking know how beautiful, amazing, and special you are. I don't think that you're told that enough. But you know what? I'm here to tell you that you're beautiful, you're amazing. You can literally do anything you set your mind to. If I'm 11 years sober from heroin, I was homeless, in and out of prison, a total mess. Everybody thought I'd be dead, overdosed 7 times. So what's your excuse? Okay? Because I put my excuses to the side and said, you know what? I'm not a victim. I am going to take control of my own fucking life, and I'm going to make something out of my life. And here we are. And I ain't done yet, baby. So join my free manifestation mindset community down below. I believe in the power of working on social media so much that I'm willing to give you free training to help you see your full potential. So join my free community. I really just feel like it's a little slice of heaven on earth. I just want to bring people together. I know not everybody can pay for things, so I just wanted one place where everybody could come to, and then everybody can choose where they go from there. If that makes sense, if you want to pay for paid guides, if you want me to, whatever the case may be, it's all there. We are adding stuff every week. I'm so excited for what's to come, you guys. Share this with a friend. I love you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.